Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to show you how we can insert two different numbers in Word document. Sometimes we need to have two different numbers in our document while we're writing a thesis or we have a report like this. For example, I don't want to have real numbers from this page or from this page. For this one also, I want to start number one, start from here and provide Roman letters to these pages. Let us see how we can do this. First, double click on header here, then page number, bottom page number, select the style. For example, I selected this one. Okay, yes. Let me close header here. Good. Now double click here to activate page number. Click this one, format page number. From here, select it. For example, I selected Roman letter. You can select it any number you want. I selected this type or this one. I selected this one. Okay. Good. Now you see I have Roman number here for this page also, for this one also. But I want to have page number for this one start from 1. Just click this one. Okay. Now just provide a section. So just click this one because I want to start page number from this introduction hydrology report. Click here, then from layout, breaks, insert a section. Next page, insert a section break here. Click it. Now I provide a section. For example, let's see the section. Click here. Okay, you see section break, next page. Now easily remove this one, easily come to here, click this one, double click on it, page number, format page number, change it to Arabic or English, this one, start at 1. Okay, you can change it to number 2, number 3 if you want. I want to start at 1. Okay, let's see. This one, close header and footer. This one, page number 1. This one, page number 2. Let's check other pages. This page is Roman letter 1, Roman letter 2, Roman letter 3, and this one, 1. That's all. Have a nice time.